In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give permission to attendees to record the meeting in Zoom. If you're hosting a Zoom meeting and want one of your attendees to be able to record it from their side, the process is quick and straightforward. This is especially useful when you want a team member, assistant, or collaborator to save their own copy of the meeting without taking over host controls. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, go to Zoom and either start the meeting or join it as the host. This part is important because only the host has permission to grant recording access to someone else in the meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, look at the meeting controls, usually along the bottom of the Zoom window, and click Participants. This will open the participant panel where you can see everyone currently in the meeting. From here, find the attendee you want to allow to record. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct person, especially if there are several attendees with similar names. Next, hover your mouse over that attendee's name and click More, which appears as 3 dots. This opens a small menu with additional options related to that participant. In that menu, select Allow Recording. As soon as you do that, Zoom gives that attendee permission to record the meeting. On their side, they should now see the record option appear in their Zoom controls. If they don't notice it right away, ask them to check the bottom menu of their meeting window, then let the attendee know they can click record and choose record on this computer. That starts a local recording on their device. This means the recording is being saved directly to their computer, so they'll need enough storage space and should keep the Zoom meeting open while the recording is in progress. When the meeting is over, or whenever they're done recording, they can click Stop Recording. That will end the recording process on their side. In many cases, Zoom will then process the file after the meeting ends, so it may take a few moments before the final recording becomes available on their computer. That's all it takes to give an attendee permission to record in Zoom. As the host, you simply open the participant list, choose the right attendee, click More, and select Allow Recording. After that, the attendee can start and stop their own local recording as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.